In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create a navigational link using an ID to jump to a specific block within your web page. This is a valuable skill that can enhance user experience by allowing your visitors to navigate effortlessly to the content they are most interested in. We'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you feel confident to apply this technique to your website projects. Let's start with adding an ID to the block of content you want to link to. In your HTML file, locate the section or element you wish to target. It could be a heading, a paragraph, or any type of block element. Once you've identified this spot, you'll need to give it a unique identifier. In simple terms, this means adding the ID attribute to your HTML tag. For example, if you want to target a heading, it might look something like this: your heading. Remember, your ID should be unique within the page and descriptive enough to make sense to anyone else who might work on the code. Now that your block has an ID, you're ready to create the link that will allow users to jump directly to that section. You'll use an anchor tag in your HTML for this task, which is very straightforward. The href attribute should contain the hash character followed by the ID of the target section. So if your ID is target section, your anchor tag should look like this: jump to section. When the link is clicked, the browser will automatically scroll to the location of the ID within the page, creating a smooth and seamless navigation experience. With your link created, the next step is to test it to ensure everything is working correctly. Load your web page in a browser and click the link you've just set up. If everything has been done correctly, the page should scroll smoothly to the section you've targeted. Keep an eye out for any typos in the ID or href attribute, as these are common errors that can prevent your link from working properly. It's always a good idea to test your page in different browsers to ensure consistency across platforms. Once you're satisfied that your link works as expected, it's time to save your changes. Make sure you've tested everything thoroughly. You don't want to discover broken links after your web page is live. Double check your code and correct any mistakes you might find. Once that's done, save your file and, if necessary, upload it to your server so your visitors can enjoy the improved navigation on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a link to a specific block in your web page using an ID. This simple technique can greatly improve the usability of your site, making it more user-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy coding!